welcome to our daily pack battle sa mga kalechonks.
So,
At
sa
ito
last
na nga pala
episode,
yung SAR namin.
no, SR lang.
SR.
So, day something iklabu. Daily pack battle, let's
I'm
go!
really not happy.
May chance pa ng SAR actually.
Yeah.
Will we get it? I don't know.
Will we get
Pero
it?
meron pa tayo sa
Will we
AR.
have a UR? No, we already have 3 ARs.
Talaga?
Yeah,
Okay.
we have a Blaziken and Eradicate. And then we got... wala na nga. Ay, meron pa.
Meron pa isa.
Meron pa. Sorry. Very wrong. Has a
Muk.
Char!
Oh, baliktad. Oh, ito. Baliktang cobra. Baliktad na ano to. Think about that, okay?
No!
Kabaliktaran ng cobra, Arbo.
Don't
Mac.
think about it.
Ano kabaliktaran ng mga kaibigan?
Don't think about it. Charbak! Ba't ang hiling ako bigyan?
Taylor.
Nidoran me.
Ito angas. Connecting art to, Taylor, by the way. Girl, parang sticker lang siya.
Hangdur.
Oh! Nidoran, female. Blipbug.
Is that a person?
Ah! Yay!
Yay!
Very cute.
Okay, that's a hit.
Sige, ikaw na kumanta.
Sige, ipasok mo. Sige. Pasok mo ang cards to sleep.
Let's go. Welcome to the ARs
Welcome
binder.
to the AR binder.
So, comment lang kayo kung gusto nyo makita full binder namin. Kasi na-video namin lahat. Pero bumili kasi ako ng konti.
But most of it galing sa mga pools namin.
Mga 97%.
Especially the SARs ng Japanese na naka-top loaders. Most of it are from
Very
the pools.
cute. Ito yung gusto niya makuha na AR actually.
Yeah.
Very cute. Oh, man. So, at least may nakuha kami maganda sa box. Both kay Steven. Steven na pangalan. So, see you all sa next video. Then, last box namin. Then, baka buksan namin isang 1.5. Or terastal. Sino mauna?
Bye-bye!